Alright, right now Krishanti is gonna show us how to use the UV-vis spectrometer and how to be safe in working with the dice that you're gonna use in experiment 2B.
Hi everyone, today I am going to explain it to you how you are going to do experiment number 2B. The first thing you need to know is these are light sensitive dyes as well as hazardous dyes. So you make sure you need to use the gloves to handle all the dyes you will be using this experiment. This is the UV spectrophotometer. Before you start the experiment, you need to make sure it needs to be warm up at least 15 minutes. Now I have two blanks that consist of 1-to-1 mixture of methanol and water. So I am going to put the blanks into the spectrophotometer here. As I said to you earlier, you need to make sure you should use the gloves before you touch the instrument. Here is the instrument. So this is actually the 2-beam instrument. You want to put two blanks, but before that what you want to do is you want to make sure the transparent side is the one beams goes through. So make sure don't touch those sides in your fingers. So and always when you before you put into the instrument, you need to make sure this is very clean enough, the transparent side, without having any residues outside. So otherwise it will interfere your sample. So it's already clean. I already clean it. So I'm going to put the sample here. The other thing is you need to make sure beam needs to be going through the transparent side. So I'm going to put the second blank too. Okay, so I'm going to close the lid. This is the computer attached to the UV spectrophotometer. Whenever you touch the computer, don't use the glove. First, go to the desktop and open Carry Win UV Scan application, and then you will see the screen and go to setup and give the parameters according to your experiment. First, the wavelength you are going to scan, it should be 850 to 320, and go to the Y mode. We are going to scan from minus 0.05 to 2, and then go to the scan rate, it should be 600. Options, you are not going to change anything. Baseline, you need to hit baseline correction and press OK. Then add your blank to the sample holder, and then it will ask you to scan it. Press OK. Running. Then you want to add your samples into the sample holder. Your sample need to be inserted into the first holder. So then close the lid and you can carry on the experiment. And hit start. Then it will ask you to save your file. You can put any name and press save. And again asking you to put the sample number. Just put any number and save. You can see as a scan is going on from 850 to 320, and you can see a peak in between 400 to 500. Once the scan is done, go to the file and you want to save your file. Save data as. Then you can see you can put a save data, whatever the file number here. The important thing is that you want to save file as a ASCII format. Then you can get the X and Y data separately to plot the spectrum in a Excel sheet. Pick file type as a ASCII or spreadsheet ASCII CSV format and save. That's all about the experiment. Thank you very much.